Stop doing these three things if you want to be financially independent before your 30s. Unang-una, huwag ka na magpaka-social climber. Stop keeping up with the trends at magpadala sa social media pressure. If palagi kang bibili ng bagong gadgets, damit, o mag-socialize sa mga mamahaling lugar, just you won't feel left out, baka hindi mo mamalayan. Ubus na pala ang savings mo. Remember, mas mabuting pagtuunan ng pansin ang sarili mong financial goals na pwedeng magtagal hanggang sa pagtanda mo, kaysa naman sa temporary validation and satisfaction. Second on the list, stop living beyond your means. Don't have lifestyle inflation. Yun bang mas malaki kapag gumastos kaysa sa kinikita mo? Why? Because this can cause you to build up debt, have low savings, be financially unstable, be stressed, at hindi mo pa makakamit ang financial goals mo. At kung lumalaki naman ang income mo, hindi ibig sabihin na dapat lumalaki rin ang gastos mo. Tandaan, walang sweldo na nagkasya sa taong mahilig gumasta. Avoid lifestyle inflation and learn how to manage your money responsibly. At ang panghuli, stop taking unnecessary debts. Kung uutang ka para sa mga luho o wants, that is a big no. For sure, magdadala lang to ng pangmatagalang stress at financial struggle sa'yo. Pero kung gagamitin mo ang utang para sa mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo to grow financially, gaya ng investments, assets, businesses, or education, that will be a smart move. It is important that you know to identify what good debt and bad debt is. Ayaw naman natin umabot sa punto na pinapagtaguan natin ang ating mga pinagkautangan dahil hindi na natin sila mabayaran. Diba? I hope this video helps, especially sa mga taong gustong maging financially independent by their 30s. So, if you want to learn more, don't forget to follow our social media accounts, especially our TikTok account, para updated ka lagi sa aming mga latest videos. Remember mga ka-RFF, personal finance does not have to be complicated. One day at a time, one step closer to achieving your financial dreams. Kita-kits ulit mga ka-RFF!